Anping Yuyao Wire Mesh Company Limited is an professional industrial enterprise engaged in the research and development, manufacturing, processing, sales, and service of various wire mesh products. It was established in 2013 in Anping County, Hebei Province, China. Since established, the company has developed overseas markets, and its products are exported to the North America, Europe, South America, Europe, Australia, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa. The company mainly deals in common nails, concrete nails, roofing nails, black annealed wire, galvanized wire, PVC-coated wire, barbed wire, window screen, welded wire mesh, and other products. These products widely used in construction, agriculture, farming, breeding, industry, military. The company has advanced equipment, strong technical force, and scientific production technology. We have obtained SGS certificate. Our consistent quality comes from our strict selection of raw materials, and we apply this concept to the entire production process. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. It is our goal to provide our present and future customers with the finest products and service. Yuyao always keep in mind mission in doing business to provide customers with the guaranteed quality, best price, the shortest delivery time, and good after-sales service. We would like to establish a long-term business relationship with overseas in the near future based on mutual benefits. Please feel free to contact us for more details.